If only we could fly. Limp Bizkit style. John Otto, take him to the Matthews Bridge. Can you feel it? A generation. Welcome to the jungle, punk. Take a look around. It's Limp Bizkit fucking up your town. We downloaded the shockwave for all the ladies in the cave to get your groove on. And maybe I'm the one who flew over the cuckoo's nest. Who guess who's next? Generation X, Generation Strange. So don't even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk shit. Talk shit about me. And go ahead and talk shit about my generation. 'Cause we don't give a fuck and we won't ever give a fuck until you give a fuck about me and my generation. Hey kid, take my advice. You don't wanna step into a big pile of shit. Captain is drunk, your world is Titanic, floating on the funk, so get your groove on. And maybe I am just a little fucked up. Life's just a little fucked up. Generation X, Generation Strange. So don't even shine through our window pane. So go ahead and talk. Now all the critics wanna hit it. And shit can, how we did it. Just because they don't get it, but I'll stay fitted. New era committed. Now this red cap gets a rap from these critics. But do we always gotta cry? Do we always gotta live inside a lie? Life's just a life, just that's moving really fast. Better stay on top of life or kick you in the ass. Follow me into a solo. Remember that, kid? So what you wanna do? And where you gonna run when you're staring down the cable of the mic pointed at your grill like a gun? Bizkit is rocking the set. It's like Russian roulette when you're placing your bet. So don't be upset when you're broke and you're done. 'Cause I'ma be the one till I jet. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. 'Cause hate is all the world has even seen lately. Combination for this life and where they keep it. It's kinda sad when you don't know the meaning, but everything